Want to install Microsoft Teams on your Windows computer? Whether you're using Teams for work, school, or personal use, the setup is pretty simple. In this guide, I'll show you how to download Teams, install it, sign in, and make sure it's ready to use. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Microsoft's official Teams download page. Microsoft provides the current Windows app there, so you don't need to use third-party download websites. On the download page, choose the Windows version of Teams and select the download option. Your browser will save the installer, usually in your Downloads folder. The exact download button or wording may vary slightly depending on the current Teams page. Once the download finishes, open the installer from your browser or Downloads folder. If Windows asks whether you want to allow the Microsoft Teams installer to make changes, select Yes to continue. Teams will now install on your computer. The process may take a little time depending on your internet connection and system. Just let the installer finish and avoid closing the setup window while it's working. After installation, Teams should launch automatically. If it doesn't, open the Start menu, search for Microsoft Teams, and select the app. You can also pin Teams to your taskbar if you use it regularly. Now sign in with your Microsoft account. For work or school, use the account provided by your organization. For personal use, you can sign in with your personal Microsoft account. Microsoft says Teams supports both personal and organizational accounts, depending on the version and access you have. If Microsoft asks you to verify your identity, follow the instructions on screen. You may be asked for a security code or another verification method, especially with a work or school account. Complete the verification to finish signing in. Once you're signed in, check the main Teams interface. You should be able to access features such as chat, Teams, calendar, or calls, depending on your account. You can also check your microphone and camera settings before joining a meeting. If the installation doesn't work, first check your internet connection and make sure Windows is up to date. You can also try installing Teams through the Microsoft Store. If this is a work or school computer, your organization may control software installation, so you might need help from your IT administrator. And that's how to install Microsoft Teams on Windows. Download the official app, run the installer, open Teams, and sign in with your Microsoft account. So once you're set up, you can start chatting, joining meetings, and collaborating right away.